Here in the video, we will share the details for the PlayStation error code CE-33004-0. Before we proceed, I want to let you know that this is my AI avatar and some of the visuals in the video are also generated using AI. However, all the information shared has been manually researched by me. As per our research, the error comes when users try to start the PlayStation console. During our research, we were unable to find much information about the error. As well as, the error is also not well discussed on public forums. But based on our research, the issue could be related to system software, the hard drive, or some other hardware or software problem with your console. However, as there is no official confirmation, we can't say for sure. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to shut down your PlayStation for around 10 to 15 minutes. Then restart the console and check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then try to rebuild the database for your console. Once done, see if the error still comes. At last, if the error still persists, then you should contact PlayStation support. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.